Welcome to the Norton Star Theater, and thank you for joining us. This facility has been providing stellar educational entertainment since 1985. It is owned and operated by the Lake County Office of Education. You are seated beneath a 20-foot dome. A special star projector will be showing images onto this dome. And as in any theater, we ask that you please turn off your cell phones. Our presentation will begin momentarily. We are going to explore the February night skies. February is the last of the winter months and is the shortest month of the year. It is the only month that has less than 30 days. Because it is a short month, it is the only month in which there may not be a full moon. February is named after the Latin term februm, which means purification. Some of the night sky's brightest stars, most stunning constellations, and breathtaking deep sky objects can be seen this time of the year. We will begin our tour of the February skies with a sunset. What a beautiful sight! And in Lake County, we enjoy some of the clearest, darkest skies in the entire country. Skies that are perfect for stargazing and for learning about the night sky. Before we get started, let's get ourselves oriented as to where we are. We have turned on the points of the compass, showing where north, east, south, and west are located. South is in the direction of the door you walk through into the planetarium. Please note that this is different from the way the sky is oriented outside. Outside, the door is facing west. We are also showing the names of some of the brightest stars in the sky. These can serve as guideposts as you learn your way around. In order to find the patterns of stars that we call constellations, you have to know where north is. Take a moment and turn your head so that you can see north in our planetarium. When you walk outside after the show, if you turn and look to your right, that is where north is. We will now begin our constellation tour. The constellation Orion the Hunter commands the southern part of the sky this time of the year. Orion may very well be the most beautiful and stunning constellation in the night sky. We are showing the outline of Orion to help you locate it. 2 of the 10 brightest stars in the sky are in Orion: Rigel, the 6th brightest star, and Betelgeuse, the 8th brightest star. Both of these stars provide a good example of what a star looks like as it ages. Rigel is bluish in color, meaning that it is a relatively young star that is burning hotter than stars that are older. An image of Rigel is being displayed. The name Rigel is derived from Arabic and means left foot, as in this case, the left foot of Orion the Hunter. Betelgeuse, the other bright star, is much older than Rigel. It is reddish in color. Betelgeuse is a supergiant star, so large that if it were placed in the center of our solar system, its size would extend all the way to the orbit of Jupiter. We are displaying an image of what this might look like. The outline of Orion is certainly suggestive of a person with broad shoulders at the top, a slender waist in the middle, and possibly holding a bow to the right. Our artist's rendition shows Orion kneeling with a club in his right hand and an animal he has captured in his left. The designation Orion the Hunter comes from Greek mythology, and there is quite a story about Orion and another creature of the night sky, Scorpius the Scorpion. Looking again at the outline of Orion, notice the three bright stars in the center. These are called the belt of Orion, and if you look closely, you will see three faint stars hanging down from the belt. This is Orion's sword, and within the sword is one of the most beautiful objects in the entire night sky, the Great Orion Nebula. Here is an image of this object taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. Nebula is a term used for a cloud of dust and gas. These are generally very large and can assume many different shapes and colors. There are different types of nebula. The Great Orion Nebula is of the type known as a diffuse nebula. It is 24 light-years across and is 20 light-years away. The Great Orion Nebula is a star nursery. New stars are being born here. Currently, it is estimated that over 700 stars are in various stages of formation.